toilet is constantly running, you could be wasting over 100 gallons of water a day, and it could be costing you a lot of money. I'm going to show you the two most common reasons that this happens and show you how to fix it. The first thing you'll need to do is remove the top of the toilet tank. Just set this somewhere safe and off to the side. First thing you want to look at is your water level. If your water level is too high, the water will flow over the top of this pipe and you'll just constantly have a running toilet. So you can adjust that with this here. This is called the float. And what you want to do is adjust this in the downward motion. So if you take a counterclockwise turn on this, or maybe a few, and then you can flush the toilet and see where this ends up filling up to. You want to try to target this to be about 1.5 inches or so underneath this pipe. So the more common cause is the flapper on the bottom here. You can see this one here is pink. Some of them are different colors, red, blue, black. So the first thing I'm going to do is shut off the water to the toilet down below. And then I'll give the toilet a flush just to drain the water. And I'll reach in here and remove the flapper. So with this one here, you can see sometimes you can recover these by just cleaning around the edge. Or in this case, this one is warped here and will need to be replaced. The good news is these don't cost a lot of money, and you can usually pick them up at your local hardware store. I chose this Fluidmaster one, but you can usually get by with just a universal if it's cheaper. So I'm just going to clip this right back in here. There's two little pegs on either side here that these will flip into. Some of the universal ones, you'll slide them over the top. These ones just click right on. And then you just hook your chain back up. You may have to adjust the length of your chain. You just want there not to be too much slack on here because you don't want it to get caught underneath here because that'll cause it to leak as well. This chain has just a little bit too much slack here, so I'm going to just adjust this down and hook the hook into a lower spot on the chain. And that looks good. I will turn the water back on. And wait for the toilet to fill back up. And if you like this video, take a look at one of my other tutorials right here above the toilet.